Iyagijima. Stropile, ipanzula litropile. Sanbonan. Hello. Mamchunu she. Why is your handle like that? Why did you add she? Mamchunu she. Sihle, Momo, Sanbonani. Hi, Blissy. Hi, Mdawe. Did I say it right? Innocentia sawubona lapho moja jama from Botswana ngiyakubona. I see you. Uza nina Davidson ayisibale kunini ngise Davidson. Sharp who's it? Him loyo molweni yebo. 1550 out right now. Can you pin a comment like TikTok? Hey, TikTok ngishaya aswali like amale for TikTok ayangishaya. Yeah. Yeah, hold her in. Hey, yeah. No, ngifuna mina ukuyibhala. Uyangithola? I want to write the comment, but like, come to Zambia in December. Like, I was in Zambia now, my dog. You want me back? Back to it. I don't know if you guys know, but like, we just dropped an EP. I just dropped an EP called 1550. It's all about where I'm from. It's named after my hood, where I'm from, you know? Like, the music that influenced me to be the person that I am is Kupu, Fandi One. So that EP is all about Kupu. I hope like you got a chance to go listen to it. If you haven't listened to it, it's up and use. Unduze ntoni na. You know? But yeah, as I was saying, first track, ukalange first track. As I was saying, like, it's Kupu wire, ubumnandi wire, join my fan club. Yini gift that I didn't ukuyibeka le khanda lami or yini ngoba ngizafuna ningifundise les TikTok jo like yeah my life is TikTok angiwakeni Fandi One yabo so bear with me but otherwise as I said happy drop day we just like dropped a whole EP. Giddy Wave is also there. If you've listened to it, you'll let me know what's your favorite song in the comment section. We're happy for you as our fans. Thank you very much. A lot of love. Love from Kenya. I was supposed to come to Kenya last weekend. I don't know what happened. But, yo, why didn't you go to Maporis's party? Like, he sent me the invites, but I couldn't go because, like, I'm dropping, you know, and I didn't want to get hang of things, and now I'm focused on rocking with my bros and I'm a man, and now I forgot that I'm dropping, you know, like I didn't want that to happen. So I respect like my drop day, like I respect my fans because I want to give them attention. Like right now I'm live. If I was there I couldn't go live and you wouldn't hear me, you know. So hence why I'm here. Danko and Giddy Wave. Danko Mos is from like the other project, but Nyaguzwa. I heard the Gorgeous, it's a hit. Oh, Gorgeous is like from Mtuva's span. Mtuva lo. Mtuva jo. Ngikufaka kanjani la? How do you add a person?
It's a request.
And then basically request daily. 1550 nemalume just called me. Like his idea, that I must go live, not come. I must go live. So me and him can talk about the journey of 1550 and everything. And so, but like right now, me, I'm not used to going live. He's telling me that I can't host because I'm not used to going live. So if you're here and you're hearing me right now, I'm gonna end this live and I'm gonna go join Mduva's live. Yangithola. Angazi if niyangithola na. I'm gonna end this live and then I'm gonna go join Mduva's live. He must go live regularly. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go live. Like when I pull also one day is one day. How? One day. O batla nketsang? O batla nketsang? O batla luma ngwana no? O batla luma nketsang? O batla nketsang wena? Skipper vele awusithandi eyes bali, like skipper ngesincane mara ngiyasigcoka jo. Angin-ignore musingla. Those baby unjani. Ngiyaphila wena unjani. Isinkwasa. Izinto enizishoyo. But yeah, let me just end this live quick. So kwazi ukuyojoina kada yangithola. Please join Mduva's live. Mduva. I'll be that side. I'm gonna join now. Kitty Wave. Akupane kada 1550. Asam.